Soundtrack Producer is a program which allows you to dub an audio soundtrack onto a video. One of its features is that it allows you to see how long the length of the audio track is in comparison to the length of the video. It also allows you to move the audio track so that the audio will start where you want it to. Also, the program allows you to place more than one audio track at different points in the timeline. When you open the program, you will see that there are three different panels. The red panel at the bottom is the audio track. The top left panel shows video source, and the panel on the right shows video destination. Click the load button on the video source panel and a dialog box will appear. In the dialog box, you can select the video file that you wish to work on. Then you can right-click on the audio track and click Import WAV file. A dialog box will appear that will allow you to select an audio track. Select the audio file that you want to be the soundtrack for the video. Place your mouse over the box representing the audio track and left-click your mouse. If you drag your mouse along the timeline at the bottom, it will allow you to choose the place at which you want the audio track to start. To dub the audio track onto the video, click File, then click Build. A dialog box will appear telling you that you must create a file name for your project. Select the folder in which you want to save the completed project and type in a file name. When you have done this, click Open. Then a dialog box will appear which allows you to select which video compression or codec, if any, you want to choose. Soundtrack Producer also allows you to choose multiple sections of audio to be dubbed onto the video. Here you can see that there is already one audio track at the beginning of the timeline. I have then right-clicked my mouse towards the end of the timeline to import a second WAV file. Again, the same dialog box appears to allow you to select the audio source. Now there are two different audio sources which appear on the audio panel. They can both be dragged to different starting points on the timeline. To save the project, we do the same as before. Click File and click Build and then proceed as before. If you want to change the video compression, then click Options and then click Compression Settings. You can only do this after you've clicked File, Build and named the project. If you want to alter the volume settings for the audio track, click Options and then click Audio Volume Settings.